Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn class 5th lesson number 6. Rules are for everyone. What is meant by the rule? And why are rules made? It's a question. Why are rules made? Rules are established to protect the weaker class in the society. So rules are very much important. We should have to follow the rules, each and every rule. Since they are at disadvantage if such rules and regulations are broken. When rules are properly set and followed, they provide a stable environment. If we want a stable environment, we should have to follow rules everywhere. Means in schools, we should have to follow rules. In our family, we should follow the rules. So when rules are properly set and followed, they provide a stable environment and human coexistence in the community also. So resulting in peace and order. We should have to follow law and order. We should have to follow a rule for peace and order. Then rules are to be set in accordance with the desired resultants. For example, take an example. Regulations are used in school, okay, in order to promote discipline and trust in a bid to provide a peaceful learning environment for the students as the desired result. So we all follow, when you come into the school, we should have to follow the school regulations, hai na? We have to wear a clean, neat, ironed uniform. We have to reach school on time. Okay, we have to do your homework. So these types of rules and regulations we have to follow in the school for students desired result, है ना? और इसकी वजह से हमें एक अच्छी आदत लग जाती है रूल्स फॉलो करने की, कहीं जाके डिसिप्लिन में रहने की. So we have to follow the rules. Means rules are for everyone. That is very much important thing. We follow traffic rules. Another example we can take. We follow the traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly and we can avoid the accidents because of our carelessness. Then in some way there are the rules of social life also that tell us what each person should be doing. Rules need to be responsibilities. Then if we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined, well disciplined. We can work more efficiently because of the rules and regulations. So it is very much important thing. Rules are meant for everyone. They apply equally to all. So rules are everywhere and rules are same for everyone. No one is above the rules. Okay. So disobeying the rules leads to punishment. अगर कोई भी rule follow नहीं कर रहा, disobey कर रहा है, so we should give to punishment. Means the rules are equal law for all. There is no discrimination. There is no discrimination. Discrimination की जरूरत नहीं है rule में. In punishment for breaking the rules. If someone is breaking the rule, so you should have to punish the person without discrimination. ये अच्छा है, ये गरीब है, ये अमीर है. Means we should have no differentiation among the people. Those who break the rule, we should give punishment to that person. Okay. In this way, equality is the basis of rule. So what is meant by equality is the basis of rule. So rules are same for everyone. No discrimination takes place. Either he is a girl or boy, he is a boy or girl, he is a poor people or very rich people. No discrimination in that. Rules in this way, equality is the basis of rules. So all are equal in front of the rule, in front of the law and order. Okay, then the changes in rules for the society. Changes in rules for the society. You know, our society works according to certain rules. In our society also, अगर हम लोग एक बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं तो बिल्डिंग की जो सोसाइटी है, जो बिल्डिंग में सेक्रेटरी है, वो सारे मिलके मीटिंग करके एक रूल चार्ट लगा देते हैं ना. So we have to follow that rule chart. Means our society works according to the certain rules. की मेंटेनेंस ये है, इतने तारीख तक हमें मेंटेनेंस जमा करना है ना, हमें कचरा 2 डस्टबिन में डालना. This is the rule. Means we have to keep a separate dustbin for dry garbage and wet garbage. So dustbin also. So these rules in our society also we have to follow various rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are mean for common good. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for the society. Then there is a difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature also. Natural occurrence follows law of nature. Then we cannot change the law of nature. You know the law of nature also, that we live this environment, that nature's law, because of the nature's law. The rising and the setting of the sun. Sunrise at particular time पे होता है, sunrise sunset particular time पे होता है. Means it's a nature's law. Change in the seasons never stop. That is also nature's law. Means after winter season, that summer season comes. After summer, rainy season comes. It's a nature's law. It never changes. Okay. The law of gravity, it is also does not change. The rising and falling of the tides, the phases of the moon, all these things occur according to the law of nature. And it's a natural thing. So it's a nature's law. Nature's law are constant and fixed. It never changes. Sunrise fixed hai, sunset fixed hai. Then phases of moons are fixed. It never changes. Gravity does not change. So this is the nature's law we should have to follow every. Then they do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. Human law should change. Human law changes according to the changing conditions. The law followed in India under the rule of British were different. You know the British that ruled over India for 150 years. They have some rules at that time. But when India gained independence on 15th August 1947, the situation changed and the law of civic life changed accordingly. So in our Constituent of India, so some rules and regulations are written by the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, है ना. हमारे जो राज्य घटना है उसमें रूल्स लिखे हैं कि किसके लिए कौन से रूल है, क्या है. So for example,